Oh, we're here at the goat farm overlooking Lake Chapala. It's a very hazy day. And they have a nice entrance road here. We're just east of Mescala.
Move really fast.
And
No table surfing. No table surfing.
so anyway, they have tables and everything set up. And they're going to serve us breakfast.
Art Society.
Close up of their logo.
And it's because and once a month we get together and someone gets to present and it gets judged.
Cinnamon with raw brown sugar.
Yeah, you can buy that at the
Mexican.
Super Lake. It looks like a big
on the middle
block.
of
Very
the
good.
tables we have, she's preparing honey.
Goat
And
yogurt.
I have fresh fruit. Who would like some?
Yes. Publish their picture in the company newsletter and they reverse them. Yeah. Funny. Outside, isn't it? Oh, thank you.
Yeah, we were having issues with the napkins against the wall. It's because of me too. So years ago, and so all my life I was surrounded by French, and wine and cheese and bread.
Oh boy.
So I just had this crazy idea.
On our property.
Oh yes?
And the waterman gave me the sticks.
Yeah.
And I thought I was an idiot. I'm deaf. But yeah, we found water. It was steel actually, very thin, wobbly steel.
Yes.
But it does, it just turns.
Well, he pointed 3 spots here, and then I finally had to decide which one. I just said Guadalupe Virgin, let's go and do it here. And
This is the future factory. Should be done within the next month or so. They can do everything on site here.
it comes from very deep, and they are everywhere. If you see the ground, they are everywhere, and so everything is granite on the ground. I'm not getting enough money for the 7. You know, so one week they just drilled 2 meters every day, trying to drill and they couldn't. The last day we have enough. We have a lot of work outside that they do in just 1 week, and they go to another and another and another, and they make a big business doing that. I have some plums
Plum trees.
with the goats. Taste the leaves. It's little citric and sweet. It's very, very interesting.
You can eat the leaves.
Yeah. Totally. Taking out the goats to herd. And I would like Laura to explain all these
Moringa
scientific
trees.
and vet facts.
They can eat they can scratch the tree and they
Laura
can eat
is
the
his
tree.
wife. She's a
It's
veterinarian.
a little bit sweetie and sour. So they're gonna boost the immune system and they're gonna help a lot with the weight. Well, we were very careful about what the goats eat. Somebody knows something? No? Well, I gotta explain. Hippocrates say that if you want to be very healthy in your life, you can take some of the goat's milk, and it's easy to digest. So we can pass this.
And the babies are up there. Yeah. So it smells good. Oh, it does. It's lavender, I think.
Younger goats here. Real young ones here. Real young ones, the babies.
Area and that area. Okay?
Plum leaves.
The whole branch.
Take the whole thing. Sorry.
Are you guys trying the leaves?
We've done this before.
Oh, the foot.
These over there. In my house, I have the goats that we are milking. Well, almost are milking now. These one was our first goats, the mammies. the mammies of the new mammies. Okay? In this area, we have the new mammies and the babies. And our third baby was Tita, and very big for a goat. Well, we have more males now, but we have, for the last year, we have Bobby, the one who we are gonna take photo with him. Bobby's a male. All we horn the horns with a deformer, so they will not hit them when they are adults, and they can even kill by themselves. So we only cut the horns because they were dangerous. Okay, but we have someone that has been giving us triple, so we can have one. The male is the only one who can have horns because it's the only way to handle. He's so strong, he's like 60 kilos now or a little bit more. So you should take from the horns. It's the only way to grab the male. And now Beto is a very kind male. He almost born here. Well, it was a wedding gift, a professor gift for wedding. Yeah?
She's a female with horns, but she's one of the first ones here. And this is the male with horns.
If you still some have
It's very dangerous for them to have horns. These are females up here. Young females.
He said you need the horns on to be able to wrestle. Yeah, you go once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times.
Okay, we are gonna feed
So this was a set of twins?
Thor. Okay.
Oh,
He wants some.
I'm gonna take
Yeah,
out,
go up.
out one, out that one.
Excellent.
2 weeks. You see them on the back?
Yeah.
The thing is that we have this door.
Exactly. And go on.
Our grandkid will love this.
Is that the first time anybody's getting milk on you?
No,
They are still learning to.
they still.
¿Le diste a los grandes?
Did she over?
No, huh?
He's not very hungry.
No.
It's like that.
Okay.
Pretty eyes.
It's because they are learning. We just started.
these are the adolescents.
Girl, I think. You're good. You're so good. Yeah, you're good.
Have a very close eye. There are some goats that have like a piece here called amela.
She's ready to be milked, as you can see.
Look at you.
The dead cells that are there. Then with a towel we clean it up very well so they get dry. Also we wash our hands again. So we will not have any infection like mastitis. Then we start to milk. And we make this movement all the time. Not squish too much because it can be painful for the dog.
No mastitis because of the cleanliness here.
Take with close this and then you squish, okay? Here? Excellent. Just squeeze a little bit hard. Good. Now you can work here.
I wouldn't mind that at all. They are very easy to milk.
Yes, they are very soft.
Yeah.
They are very soft.
Very interesting.
Gabrielon?
And then you squish.
Thank you. How can I help? I was just saying goodbye to the employers that they are making the cheese factory, so I had to split a little
So
bit.
then you open again and then you squish again.
Now, how long does it take from milking to the cheese?
Depends who's doing it.
Follow Juan Diego.
Okay.
Come. Okay, we have a lot of goat shit here to put good things on that. So,
That sounds.
They compost the manure.
but they do the shitty job.
Oh, look at the worms. Wow.
It's a breed called Red California
Yeah.
worms.
Worms.
They eat the manures and they gave us the castings. And it's the best fertilizer you could ever have. And it's really good. So we fertilize all the grass, the moringa, the plants, or regular trees, and we put certain amount on the bags, so we take to the market. Tree, like just putting all
This
the
is
pail
worm casting
on
tea.
Huh?
Yeah, the manure beds become fertilizer, and they sell the fertilizer and make money that way as well.
A little field that we wanted to plant it. It was easy to plant, and then putting a wall around. And now this that would be really bad. So bringing the babies and putting the mats and doing some yoga.
What's goat yoga?
The goat yoga is a trend on YouTube. People making yoga with goats around.
On top of their
But they
back.
are
I'm on
outdoor.
their back.
So you are doing facing the metate used to be this stone where they put the seeds and ground to
Oh,
make the sauce, to make tortillas, to make all those things. So they use this stone and mash.
wow. The indigenous people.
There is a lot of petroglyphs on the area and even rupestic paintings. There is a cave where you go and all the cave is painted with bulls with vegetable paintings. And it's been there for 1,000 years.
Really?
Yeah. It's called the the cave of the bull, because there are bulls everywhere. Yeah.
Ah,
Not yet. No? Not yet. But
They really love that stuff.
yeah.
That would open up your business to the restaurant.
yeah. Adelita,
Did you taste it?
Picture.
Okay. I don't have anything. Nothing.
God, they went through that
I have nothing.
Here, because from here we can see the project, the farm, the lake, a beautiful
Oh my
view of
God,
the
look
lake
how-
of the island. The stable is calculated to keeping 50 goats. Hey, Rocky, eso no. Hey.
Yeah.
It's a female, but we have it at home. Rocky and Manchas got together and we had babies. After she working, she was the one who surrounds the goats and bring them, and they was cutting the road. And it was very nice. We have the room, the bathroom that you know, and a little warehouse. The cheese factory used to be our parking lot. When we came on the tours, the cars were parked there, room, so we can age cheese, making manchego, goat manchegos, peras, camembert. I want to make a camembert with goat's milk. And here is the highest point in the farm, and what we want is a place with several rooms, all facing the lake, so you can stay here.
Oh, this one's an alpine goat. The only one here. That's why he's walking on those rocks.
But we need to start.
They can do that very easily.
I don't know if Laura told you. Here in Mexico we have several trees. Guaje, guamuchil. They make, the humans, us, we make spicy sauce with the fruits. Their house, on their place. Or in Spain, I watch a video about goats as firefighters. on the highways, they are just releasing the goats, and they are cutting the grass so they can control the fires before there are fires. So just keeping the grass like this.
I have a
Contrail of a plane. I don't know if it shows up on video.
Never been? No. Not for the festival. That's free. And it's, I mean, things you can find things there you will not find anywhere.
So I'm gonna let them tell me what's what.
I got it. That's goat too.
Plays in English and Spanish.
It's a very nice website.
Have you checked it?
Yes.
It was nice? Yes. The English is nice? I'm still worried for the translations.
Well, I'll be happy to help you. Just send
Yeah,
me
just
an
check
email,
it,
you
and
know?
if you find any mistake, just the primary. Oh, yes, I was. This is my cell number.
Okay, the goats say we put on our show, now it's time to take a break and relax.